how to use a voice changer on Discord mobile. So if you want to use a voice changer on your Discord mobile, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store at first. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for voice mod. After searching, you need to go and install your voice mod. Once you've installed the application, you need to open it and it will ask you to log in. Just simply go and log into your account. You may have an option with Discord, which is enter with Discord. You can just simply go and enter with your Discord, which will be easier. Or you can go with Google, Twitch, Apple, or your email to create your account. Now, after signing into your voice mod, you'll find a bunch of options to change your voice. Click on the three lines, which will be in the top left corner, and then tap on the account option. So in my case, I've already created an account. So you just need to simply go and create your account if you have not created. After creating your account, you just need to simply go back and then open up your Discord application. After opening your Discord, go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. And from the profile, you need to go with settings, which will be in the top right. And once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down until you find the app settings section. So from voice, you just need to simply go with input mode, which will be in the top. And from there, you just need to simply go and select voice mode. If you don't find the voice mode option or if it's not showing, then there is an alternative way. Simply close the application and open up your browser and search for Discord and open it from here. Once inside, go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and make sure that you're on your desktop site. After turning that on, you need to log into your Discord, and once logged in, repeat the same steps shown earlier. And you will be able to select voice mod as your input. And that's it. You can also do this on your PC or your laptop as well by installing or downloading your voice mod. And in this way, you'll be able to use a voice changer on your Discord mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.